Hi guys, it's me again, Cristel, and today's video I'm going to do the unboxing of the 3 pairs of shoes that we have purchased from the Nike big sale recently. So I think it's still going on up until now because the last time we purchased it a few days ago, they said there's another more week. I'm so excited to unbox the 3 pairs of Nike shoes. One is mine and the other 2 my husband. Today's date is 21st of May 2026 and the time is 2:30 in the afternoon. So nara siya guys. So let's do the unboxing of this first. So the name of this is the Nike Pegasus Premium size 11. We got this from 300, it's 190 plus there's additional 10 or 30% less. So he got this few days ago because he likes the colorway. So here it is guys, see? So very light kaayos. It's nice actually. Nice siya. Oh, color. It's really bright. Next pair of shoes. Still Iyaha. There's another one. This is also discounted. $350 or $300. But it cost us $190 plus additional discount of 30%. I'm not sure 30% or 10%. So instead of $190, it's $119. This is Air Zoom Alpha Fly Next 3. And the color is Obsidian White Doll. Let's do the unboxing. Sorry, kapag kay siya kay yan namang gi-unbox. So with this pair of shoes, you could get free shoe bag. And then this is his shoes, the Alpha Fly. So in the Philippines, this cost 14,000 pesos. It's very nice color. That's it. Another pair of shoes, which is mine, is this one. So I didn't purchase this one, but my husband bought it for me. I can use this on during workout. Okay, so this is also the Air Zoom Alpha Fly Next in the color of Glacier Blue / Black Mint Foam. So this is also my husband's choice. I chose the other one, which is the white one, but my husband said it's a unique color. I'm actually size 7 in women's Nike shoes, but apparently when I tried on the size 7, it's too big. Size now, the size 6. I'm so excited for this to show you because it's a really nice colorway. This is the color of the bag that is free. Mine is ta-da! Oh, sorry. Here, it's so nice. I like it because it's a baby blue color here, and there's also pinks on the side, and there's a neon green. Okay, and then the shoelace is black. It's so nice. See? Okay, I'll show it to you. So outfit check. This is from Nike as well. So I'm also wearing, my bottom is from Woody. And here's my shoes. Okay. See you in my next video.